The Gardening Ants Story by Zam. Once upon a sunny day, in a small backyard, there lived a bustling colony of ants. These ants were not like any ordinary ant. They loved to dig in the soil and grow their own tiny garden. Let's take a look at these amazing little creatures and their gardening adventures. See that big ant hill over there? That's the ants' cozy home. Each day they would wake up early, ready to start their work in the garden. They would scurry and hurry, each knowing exactly what to do. The ants worked together as a team. Some would clear away the old leaves and debris to make room for new plants. Others would bring tiny seeds they found to plant in the soil. With great care, the ants would place the seeds into the ground, making sure to give them just the right amount of water and sunlight. As the days passed, something magical happened. The tiny seeds sprouted and the little green plants began to grow. The ants watched in awe as their gardens turned into a beautiful array of colorful flowers and tasty vegetables. The ants couldn't believe their eyes. They danced with joy around their garden, feeling proud of their hard work. The gardening ants didn't keep all the yummy vegetables to themselves. They loved to share. They invited their insect friends to enjoy the delicious feast, creating a happy backyard community. One rainy day, the ants noticed their garden is getting flooded. They quickly came with a brilliant idea. They built little shelter made from leaves to protect their plants from the rain. With teamwork and cooperation, they shielded the beloved garden from the pouring rain. Every day, rain or shine, the ants continued to care for their garden. They learned that with hard work and dedication, they could make their little backyard paradise flourish. And do you know what happened next, my little friends? The ants lived happily ever after in their magical garden, and their friendship grew as strong as the plants in their garden. Remember, just like the gardening ants, when we work together and take care of our world, amazing things can happen.